Hello everyone, let's discuss the next numerical from the unit of sliding contact bearing. Again, this is very simple numerical to solve. It is just based on the Newton's law of viscosity, but it is very important as objective question point of view. So let's start with the statement. A rectangle plate of 250 mm width. So plate width and length is given. Length is 500 mm. So let's write it. Let us say B is the width, so it is 250 mm, and length is given, it is 500 mm, over a plain stationary surface. So we have the two surfaces, one is the moving, another is the stationary. The two surfaces are separated by an oil film of thickness 0.15 mm. So thickness oil means H is given 0.15 mm. Then viscosity of oil is also given, Z is equal to 40.5 centipoise. Now here is only one twist, that Z is given, it is in centipoise, but we want mu. So mu is equal to, we know that centipoise, when we want in Newton second per mm square, we need to multiply the term by 10 raised to minus 9. So we want the mu in Newton second per mm square. So we get this value. Then they ask, determine the force required to pull the plate at speed u is given, it is 1.5 meter per second. Again we want this in mm per second, so it is 1500 mm per second. So by Newton's law of viscosity, we can write F is equal to mu A into U upon H. So here we need to calculate the A. A can be calculated by using of this B and L. B into L is nothing but the A. So mu is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 9. A is 250. B into L, so it is 250 into 500. Into U is 1500 divided by H is 1.05. So we get F is equal to 50.625 Newton. Again, as you can see, it is very simple numerical from this unit. Only we need to put a single formula and need to conversion of units. I hope you get the concept. Thank you.